Well, guys, it seems Dorney is doing even more teasing about Iron Menace and their entire new area they're building down here. So, in this Iron Menace construction update, we're breaking it all down for you. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. Well, guys, as you can see, the haunt stuff is starting to go up. This might be for the McTavish area that's going up. Kind of got some old stores and a really creepy tree right there. But yeah, let's head down to Iron Menace. So I don't know if I covered this in my last update, but there are markers going all the way down Cedar Creek Flyers. So Dorney Park released a teaser on their Instagram, and that's constantly opening, about that they might be announcing something on 9/7. And it looks like they're going to be shooting something. So I think we'll come back a little bit later. That's really cool. I wonder what they're shooting over there. Something for haunt, I'd imagine. But we shall see. But as you can see, the construction vehicles are out. It's very windy today, so this door keeps opening and closing. But it looks like they're taking down a lot of trees from what I can see. Yeah, very cool. So, like I said, we should be getting an announcement on September 7th. Now, could that mean a retheme for Cedar Creek Flyers? Or could it be for that haunt maze? Or both, probably. Cedar Fair and Dorney Park came out and said that eventually they're going to retheme Cedar Creek Flyers to fit this entire area, like they've been doing with Jungle Expedition and the Kings Island and Carowinds attractions, that areas that they've been retheming around their park. So this whole area is going to look very nice next year. So over here looks like we have McTavish Steel. So I'm actually really excited to see this haunt maze. This looks really exciting. They really did a number on that tree right there, I'll tell you. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of markers coming down here. That whole area was roped off. Pretty cool. This, of course, is going to be where the station is. So they're probably doing some electrical work, I'd imagine. And then, also, it looks like they started removing the Zephyr Railroad. Some of the track pieces are missing, and they're over there. And then it's going to rise up, go into the drop. It's going to be somewhere over there. And then come back this way, go through the 0G roll, tilted loop. The corkscrew is going to be somewhere back over here, and then the final turnaround before hitting the brake run. So it looks like they got the queue set up for this haunted house that is opening soon. But honestly, I hope on September 7th, I'm looking forward to seeing the re-theme of Cedar Creek Flyers. I honestly can't wait for this ride to open. This is just so sad and depressing. You know, I go to Hershey all the time. Frontier Flyers, you know, always has a really good line. Knobel's Flyers are always popping. Everyone knows how good these rides are. So definitely next year. I can't wait to see people riding this. Cedar Creek Flyers, always a great time. I always make sure to do it whenever I come down here to film these construction updates. Just, you know, keep those numbers up. So we're down here in the parking lot, and looking like you see more of those construction vehicles we saw in the inside the park. Not too much. I have to say, guys, this is the first time I've seen Thunderhawk with 2 trains on it. So that just goes to show you how busy. Usually Thunderhawk runs with just 1 train. But today, 2 train operation. Let's go.
No, last part.
Welcome back, Liza. It's hard to ride. Oh my god.
Once your train has come to a full complete stop, unfasten your seatbelt.
205-foot drop off steel forward. Please no smoking in the station. Please stop smoking.
And well, guys, that's how I'm going to do it from this week's construction update for Iron Menace. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm excited to see what Dorney comes out with in this area. It certainly is exciting. Certainly they have a lot to offer. And they are not stopping in terms of construction. They've already begun starting to rip out stuff. This is feeling a lot like Wildcats Revenge, and I'm really excited to see it progress further and further. Yeah, but I hope you all enjoyed this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.